Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic wheel bearing. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a jack stands, a socket set, and a torque wrench. Make sure you have a safe, flat area to work in. It's crucial to have your new wheel bearing and any associated seals or hardware on hand before you begin the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient repair. Once prepared, safely lift your Honda Civic using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Next, remove the wheel, then carefully detach the brake caliper and rotor. You'll then need to loosen the large axle nut. After that, separate the steering knuckle from the suspension components, which will allow access to the old wheel bearing. Take your time with each step to avoid damage. With the old bearing removed, it's time to install the new one. Use a specialized bearing press tool to carefully press the new wheel bearing into the steering knuckle. Ensure it's seated correctly and evenly. Then, reattach the steering knuckle to the suspension and insert the axle shaft. Finally, tighten all bolts and nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings for safety and proper function. To complete the repair, reinstall the brake rotor caliper and then the wheel. Once everything is back in place, carefully lower your vehicle to the ground. Before driving, double-check all connections and ensure everything is secure. Take the car for a test drive to confirm the new bearing is functioning correctly and that there are no unusual noises. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.